Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove keyboard language in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface, and if you have added more languages in your keyboard, that is addition to English, you can add more language. So you can see those languages using this global symbol. By touching upon it, it will change to other language. I have added 3 more languages to the English language. Okay, so if you would like to now remove the languages from the keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to languages and input, and click on advanced, and click on screen keyboard, and click on default keyboard, and keep default keyboard in other option. Second option, talk back Braille keyboard, then click on manage on screen keyboard, and click on Gboard, and click on languages. And here what are all the languages that you have added to the English language, they have been showing here. Additionally, I have Tamil, Marathi and Bangla. Okay, if you would like to remove languages, extra languages from this list, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on this edit symbol and click on the languages to be removed from your phone. Select the language or languages to be removed and click on delete button here, and they will be removed from your phone. Okay, at later stage, if you rethink that you would like to include more languages, yes, you can include using add keyboard language and selecting the language from here. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove the selected languages from your phone. That is you can remove language from keyboard in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.